So, good morning, students. Welcome to the GK class. Okay. Due to some reasons, I have not taken the GK class for you till now. So, from now onwards, I will take your GK class. Okay. So, I think I have completed 2 chapters. So, let us move to the third chapter, that is Eco Warriors. Okay. So Eco Warriors, that means eco, that is means related to the environment, that what we can call it as eco. Warriors means those fighters, that what we can call it as a warriors. Here we are going to see some of the persons who are related with the environmentals and how they have doing work for saving the environment and all. Okay, first one, see here one picture they have given, that is a lady picture. Okay, so she is the lady she is a teacher by profession and also the head of the environment at the Shri Ram schools and Vasant Vihar, that too in a Vasant Vihar and New Delhi. She created an environmental education policy and her school was the first to implement root-proof rainwater harvesting in the 1999 and inspiring 2000 odd schools to follow suit. That the lady, she is Madhu Bhatnagar. Okay. Then next move to the second one. He is one of the person who is a hunter turned conservationist and the person to suggest the tigers and leopards could be sent into the wild after living in the captivity, and he was awarded the Padma Shri Prashasti in 1975 and as well as Padma Bhushan in 2006, and he died in 2010 but leaves behind an incredible legacy, and he is the person, his name is Billy Arjun Singh. Okay, next we can move to the third one. See here, she is a person, she is India's first female herpetologist and her dedicated to work for turtles. Herpetologist means the study of leopards. For that one we are calling it as a herpetologist. Sorry, not leopards, turtles. Study about the turtles. Lead to the forest cane turtle being renamed, and she was passed away at the young age of 22, but the efforts she has made is very good. That was very good, and he used to tell about the turtles, and turtles are still ongoing and have been taken by various local and government bodies. Okay, and her memorable has been created at the Madras Crocodile Blank, and she is the person who she is J Vijaya. Okay, her name is J Vijaya. Next one, fourth one, he is the person, he started out as a wildlife filmmaker and has won many awards. He has won many awards and he has been an eco warrior for 3 decades. Now is the most well-known face of India's environment campaign. That is, he is the person, his name is Mike Pandey. He is the only Indian have won the Wild Screen Panda Award on the Green Oscar thrice. On thrice he has received an award. His name is Mike Pandey. See here, you can see the pictures that they have given in your textbook. Okay. Next one, fifth one. So he is a person, he is well-known Bollywood actor. I think all of you have seen his film. Most of his films are very hit films. Who apart from being a PETA member, he has helped to create India's first element village in Maharashtra with the help of local bodies, and has also been awarded as Eco Warriors award from helping elephants find a new home in natural surroundings. His the name John Abraham. Okay. Next, sixth one. She is a person, she is an environmentalist and political activist and a major proponent of the green concept of sustainable development, recipient of the Padma Shri and Rajalakshmi Award and the Stockholm Water Prize, and she she figured in Time magazines a list of 100 most influential people for her extensive research and work to create public consciousness about the need for sustainable development. She is a person, okay, she is Sunita Narain. She is Sunita Narain. Okay, next we can move to the next one, seventh. See here, he is a person, he noted Gharwali environmentalist and Chipko movement leader who has been fighting for years for the preservation of forest in the Himalayas, and he also took up other related environmental issues such as the movement against large dams. Okay, he is the Sundarlal Bahuguna. Okay, next, eighth one. Okay, he is a person, he is an Indian social worker and environmentalist, and who has introduced environmentally friendly irrigation and farming techniques in Indore and Madhya Pradesh. He is known to have promoted biodynamic agriculture in India and has received the Padma Shri and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award. He is a TGK Menon. He is a TGK Menon. Next one, he is a person, he is an Gandhian, author, journalist, environmentalist and water conservationist who worked on promoting water conservation, water management and traditional rainwater harvesting techniques, and he has been awarded the Indira Gandhi Paryavarana Puraskara Award instituted by the Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India. Okay, he is the person, his name is Anupam Mishra. Okay, next, 10th one. So he is the person with a conservationist and environmentalist from Rajasthan. He is from Rajasthan. He also known as the Rani Man of Rajasthan for having brought back water to more than 1000 villages. Okay, and he was instrumental in getting water to flow against in all 5 major rivers, okay, of the state. He is the name, he is the person with the name called Rajendra Singh. Okay, you can see the pictures over here in the textbook, you can see here. Okay, he is a person with the name called Rajendra Singh. Okay, this is all about 10th option. Next we can move to the next topic. So that they have given some pictures over here, and we need to find out the name of the persons with their characters and with their social works. Okay, we can move one by one. So see here, the picture has given, she is a person. Okay, she is a marine ecologist and he is an ecologist. That means study with the environment, and she is from Australia. Actually, she is from Australia, and who has studied the impact of human activity on complex marine ecosystems, and she and her colleagues launched the World Harbour Projects in 2014. Okay, which was 20 cities on board. Okay, her name is Iman Johnston. Okay, you can find out the answers. Okay, see here, I have written in fill in the blanks. You can take it from that one. Okay, next, second option, that is one lady name, old lady picture they have given. See here, she is a primatologist and ethologist and ornithologist. She is from UK and is unstoppable even. She is of 84 years old, and she used to travel a lot from different country, from one country to another. She will going to travel through around the world. She has traveled a lot, and she is considered to be the world principal expert, that too on the chimpanzees. Her name is Jane Goodall. I think Jane Goodall. She is very famous. She is very famous. Okay, and we can move to the third one. See here one picture they have given with the person picture. See here, he is a solar cell scientist. He is one of the scientists and businessman, and he is one of the world's 10th biggest manufacturer of solar panels, and his company Suntech is expected to help China to overtake the Japan as the world's leading supplier of solar panel technology. Okay, that the person name is Jane Grong Shi. Okay, I have given the name in the textbook, you can see here. Next one, okay, one lady picture they have given. I think you can see that it in your textbook, and she came up with a simple idea for preserving trees. So regarding about the trees, she used to she had studied, okay, and restoring the streams and level foundations, the green belt movement, which encouraged women to grow sanding and plant trees to build soils and store rainwater, and she paid them for the same. Okay, and she became the first African woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize for her work in 2004. She has worked on trees. Okay, she is the one of the lady person from Africa who has received the Nobel Prize. Her name is see here, it's very difficult to pronounce. Wangari Maathai. Okay, and we can move to the fifth option, and one young lady picture they have given. Who is she? We can see here. She is a young ambitious girl. She is from United Arab Emirates, and she is the winner of the 2016 International Children Peace Prize, and she was the youth ambassador for the World Future Council in 2015, and an active member of the United Nations. Okay, and she founded Green Hope UAE, which has been more than 11 volunteers plant 500 trees in several countries across the globe. Okay, she's a lady. Okay, her name is Kehkashan Basu. Okay, next one, another person picture they have given here. You can see here. He is the person. He is from German. He is a German parliamentarian. Persuaded the German government to get rid of nuclear power and to invest in renewable energy sources such as the wind and solar energy. As a result of his effort, Germany is heading towards self-sufficiency in energy. That is Hermann Scheer. Hermann Scheer. He is the person. Okay. So this is all about your third chapter. Okay. Next we can move to the next chapter, that is called as Art Fests. So I think all of you have understood the third chapter. If you have any doubts, you can free to ping in your subject group. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Now we can move to the fourth chapter, that is Art Fest. Art means all of you know drawing. Fest means festivals. So okay, we can in this chapter we are going to study about the festivals of India and the traditional activities of the Indias and cultural activities. So all about festivals we can see in these chapters. Okay, so India is the land of colors, diversity, and culture is steeped in local and traditions that every 100 kilometers with countries celebrating festivals and in being from all over the world. So enjoying the culture, India is storming ahead in the festivals arena with its grand and immersive art festivals that are increasing and improving with every passing year. Okay, so India is rich of festivals. So India has in India peoples are celebrating more and more festivals. So it is the only fair for each festivities to have its state festival that receives as much praises as others in the same category, because every state has vast difference and beauty in its culture, traditions and way of life and compared to others. This is all about culture of India. Okay, next we can move to the next one, that is here, and rest assured with the India is rest assured with a variety and immense art festivals organized in the country, and India are born to come away feeling rich in knowledge and culture and filled with a new zest for life, seeing such a display of color, energy, performance and pieces of art beyond your imaginations, that too beyond our imaginations, and it is a wonderful platform for the exchange of ideas, See here, we can see here look at the pictures below and match each of them with the description provided. We can match the pictures with the descriptions. Okay, see here, the first description is will be matching to the F figure. See here, where is the F figure? First you can see the, see here, you can see the F figure, where it is. Okay, this is the F figure. See here what they are doing there some persons are sitting, they are blowing, and snake is there, person is there, children are there. See here what it describes. Okay, we can see here, this is one of the most weighted culture art festivals of India. That means it witnesses millions of national as well as international visitors each year. Okay, it is organized by the Haryana government in collaboration with the Surajkund Mela authority on a massive scale of 40 acres with over 400 participation work huts. Apart from the local artisans and skilled craftsmen, artisans of all SAARC nations are invited to exhibit their regional crafts. Okay, this is all about figure of F picture description it is. Till now what I have explained. Okay, next description is, see here, A description. See here, this is the picture which shows about the what it contains. See here, one car is there, in that they have given some colorful car is there, in that they have given some board on the top of the car, and some persons are there in outside that car. We can see what it describes. See here, so this week along art, this is the one of the good art. So this event holds a fantastic amalgamations of various art forms and modes of interactions, including literary discussions and handicraft styles, music and dance performance, art workshops and many more art related performances. Okay, that is all about the A picture descriptions. Okay, next we can move to the third one. See here, third description is about the G picture. Where is G? See here, this is the picture. We can now I will going to explain the description of this picture. See here, this is the picture. It contains so many persons and it contains something special, and see what it will. Okay, I will going to tell, just you go through this picture and I will going to explain about that picture. See here, this is the most fun filled parade that includes dancing, that too in a bright manner and in beautiful costumes, and street plays, regional songs and carriage processions that helps us discover about the local communities of this state along the western coast of India. Okay, this is all about G picture descriptions. Okay, next one. See here, description about the picture B. See here, this is the picture B. See here, carefully see this picture. Taj Mahal is there and some exhibitions you can see here. It will come in your fair, isn't it? That exhibition will be there, that we can call it as a joint wheel, like that one exhibition is there, and we can see the description about that one. See here, this 10-day long festival held it in Shilpgram, a tourist village at the eastern gate of the Taj Mahal. Okay, and it provides a breathtaking glimpse of the local handcrafts, handlooms, workmanships from practically every corner of India under one roof. Okay, next we can move to the E. See here, this is the picture with the given one child is crying and some two persons are there. One is having his mask and one is crying. She is okay. So this festival launches in 2008, offers a perfect blend of the diverse arts of Southeast Asia with that of the West. Okay, this fest has acquired fame for its beautiful artistic and cultural exhibits that include paintings, art installations, theatre and other performing arts. Okay, now we can move to the C picture. Description about the C picture. See the C picture clearly. See here, some persons are there. They are holding something on their hand. See here, that is C. This fest that explains about some of the festivals. This fest projected to be the International Festival of India and is an ambitious project with an aim to make a strong impressions on the cultural map of the world. Okay, and organized each year with a unique theme, and it is the brainchild of a celebrated classical dancer and organized in collaborations with the government and spread across over 4 venues in the national capital regions. Okay, next we can move to the next picture, that is D. See here, you can see here D. See here, some crowds are gathered over here for one functions. You can see here what festival it is and what it explains. This annual fest in India is most significant gifts to its intellectual thinkers and philosophers, as it is a congregations of some of the best writers and thinkers from across the world. Okay, and it besides book readings and book launchers, one can witness beautiful performance of folk dance and Indian classical music against the backdrop of Rajasthan's heritage sites. This is all about D pictures. Okay, so this is all about your 4th chapter. Okay, this is all about your 4 chapters. I think this is enough for today. So, and I will take the next chapters in the next class. Okay, all of you write the answers in your textbook, and you should also write it in your workbook what they have given. Okay, answers you should write it. Okay, so I think it is enough for today. I will take the next class. Okay, till then take care. Bye.